Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're having trouble with website not displaying pop-ups you actually need, turning off the pop-up blocker on your iPhone can solve this issue. Here is a quick, professional and friendly guide to help you disable the pop-up blocker in Safari on your iPhone. Let's get started. The first step is to open the Setting app. Unlock your iPhone and locate the Setting app. It looks like a grey gear icon. Next, scroll down and tap on Safari. In the Setting menu, scroll down until you see Safari. Tap on it to open the Safari settings. Next, find the Block Pop-ups option. In the Safari settings, scroll down to the General section. Now, you toggle off the Block Pop-ups. Look for the Block Pop-ups option. If the toggle switch is green, it means the pop-up blocker is currently enabled. Tap the switch to turn it off. The switch should turn grey, indicating the pop-up blocking is now disabled. And there you have it guys, you successfully turned off the pop-up blocker on your iPhone. This should allow necessary pop-up to appear while you browse the web. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.